Welcome to the main production hangar, where Europe's most advanced air superiority fighter begins its journey from concept to reality.
All right, easy now. Bring it across.
Confirmed. Moving to inspection bay.
Coolant sprays continuously as the cutting tools transform raw titanium into complex structural parts for the new fighter jet.
Sealant application complete on this bay.
Tooling is satisfactory.
Inspection passed. Marking for closure.
Contour check on rib 4.
Specifications confirmed. Surface feels smooth here.
Rerouting the avionics bus cable now. Check the tension on that bracket.
Looks good. Proceeding with the final torque sequence. Pressure holding steady at 50 psi.
Confirming readings on the digital gauge. I'm scanning connection points with the ultrasonic detector now.
Hold it steady right there.
All right, start securing the primary ducts.
Clamps are ready. Clearance check on the forward actuator bracket. Running the feeler gauge now. Looks good within the tolerance stack.
Insert the main trunnion bolt now. Bolt secure. Beginning torque sequence on fitting alpha. Readings look good. Maintain pressure.
Rudder pedal centered. Initiating left turn sequence.
Left response verified. Clearance is checked.
Roger that. Initiating right turn sequence.
Align the aft mount beam now.
Laser guidance shows we are within tolerance.
For the grinding wedges. The Eurojet EJ to meticulous level 3 of installation.
Hold position. Engaging locks. Clearance check green. Proceed with installation.
Fuel line fitting torqued to specification. Control cables routed and secured. Checklist confirms all connections verified.
Aligning the flanges now. Bring it down slowly.
Steady on the alignment pins.
Torque wrench engaged. Sequence initiated. Okay, bring it down 30 millimeters.
Holding steady on the alignment pins.
Fit is confirmed on the starboard side.
Initiating actuator sequence. Canopy coming down.
Locking indicators green. Cycle complete.
Initiating functional test sequence.
Actuator circuit 1, green.
Drogue deployment circuit, green. Test complete.
Throttle wiring secure. Ready for power check.
Power check complete. Initiating display initialization sequence.
MFDs online, running built-in test.
Waveguide connections secured. Cooling lines pressurized.
Running diagnostics. System status is green.
Warning. Multiple threats detected. Radar acquisition. Deploying countermeasures sequence 1.
Initiating system integration test sequence 3.
Connectors seated and locked.
Starting the inspection checklist. Confirmed green on data bus diagnostic.
Lugs engaged. Fuel line secured.
Pressure check initiated. Holding steady.
Mechanical release functional. System verified operational.
Bring the port side up slightly, 5 millimeters.
Copy that. Moving up now.
Alignment verified. Start securing sequence.
Hold steady on the hydraulics.
All right, lowering the starboard side now, slowly.
Alignment check confirms green.
Hold it steady right there.
Okay, putting the shim in now. Check the gap.
Gap looks good. Lock it down.
Initiate the flaperon sweep test.
Surface responding. Verify full deflection at 30 degrees.
Confirmed. Angles match specifications.
Leak check complete on all fittings. No seepage detected.
System operational readiness confirmed. Signing off the checklist.
Initiating fuel transfer from tank 3 to tank 1. Stand by for flow rate confirmation.
Transfer confirmed. Flow rate is stable and nominal. Simulating generator 1 failure now. Stand by for automated transfer.
Transfer complete. Battery systems look good.
Radar sweep initiated. Range nominal.
Com check 1. Radio alpha transmitting.
BIT test sequence uploaded. Awaiting confirmation.
ECS parameters are all in the green. Airflow rates confirmed.
Thermal and pressure checks are good. Ready for sign-off.
Moccasin Tower, ground check on 121.9.
Reading you 5x5, tower. Systems check good.
Flap retracting. Stabilizer trim engaged. Hydraulic system check complete.
Rigging confirmed. All surfaces responding normally.
Cockpit, commanding gear up.
Gear retracting. Doors closing.
Gear down command initiated.
Gear fully extended. Downlock engaged. Power check coming up to military thrust now. Parameters stabilizing.
Roger, steady at max dry. EGT looks good.
Vibration levels nominal. Hydraulics checked.
I'm seeing minor pitting here on the leading edge.
Document that with a photo. We need to review the SRM limits.
Logging as a minor discrepancy, pending engineering review.
Missile secure. Electrical umbilical connected.
Guidance system registering. Status is go.
All checks complete. Station is certified.
The front sector RCS is well within specifications. Look at the reduction here at 20 degrees.
That confirms the effectiveness of the low observable shaping.
The sophisticated measurement technology verifies the Typhoon's significantly reduced radar detectability across all critical threat sectors.
Lightning strike simulation complete. No damage to sensitive electronics. And emissions levels are well within limits. The report looks good.
Reviewing the thermal cycles. No stress fractures detected.
All systems maintained proper operation. It's certified for global deployment.
The lifetime fatigue testing is complete. The data looks good.
And the final certificate confirms no degradation. Hydraulic pressure drop on primary system. Copy that. Initiating backup pump sequence. Actuators responding to reconfiguration.
Main gear pins confirmed removed.
Check. Ejection seat armed.
All panels secured. Final weight and balance verified. Cockpit systems green. Requesting engine start.
Roger that. Cleared for taxi and immediate takeoff.
Orion 71 airborne. Positive rate of climb. Gear up. Test point 32 complete. Proceed to approach configuration. Flaps 20.
Roger. Approach config. Flaps 20. Speed coming back.
Gray Good job up there, 7-3. Welcome home.
The pitch stability was excellent throughout the envelope. We saw a slight hydraulic pressure drop during the high G turn at waypoint 3, but it recovered immediately. The analysis confirms aircraft performance met or exceeded predictions across all objectives. We are clear to proceed with the next phase of testing.
Confirming weapon status. Live.
Cleared for release, release, release.
Missile away. Good separation.
From the freezing temperatures of the Arctic test facilities to the extreme heat of the desert, we validate operational deployment in all environments. From ground school to sophisticated simulators, this comprehensive training program produces combat-ready Typhoon pilots capable of any mission. The technical briefing is complete, and we accept the aircraft.
We are now fully operational and ready to defend the nation.
All right, team, let's review the ingress route.
Dark Knight flight cleared for sequential departure.
Dark Knight 1 airborne. 2's taking the runway.
Dark Knight 4, flight check complete, switching to tactical.
Fox 3.
Fox 2. Splash 1.
Knock it off! Knock it off!
Knock it off.
Pod engaged. Target acquired. Laser designating. Weapons releasing now. Impact confirmed.
Stabilize contact, fuel flowing.
Copy that.
Transfer complete, disconnect.
Ready for contact.
Cleared for immediate departure, climb max.
Viper 01 airborne.
Vector 290, 40 miles, fast mover.
Integration is key today. F-16s provide top cover while the Rafales hit the target zone.
Copy that. Pushing south now.
All systems checked out during the run-up. She's ready. Excellent. Paperwork signed off. You are cleared for the acceptance flight.
The modernization program ensures the Typhoon remains a cutting-edge fighter for decades to come. The Typhoon program represents a new era of international cooperation, delivering cutting-edge.
Intel confirms active threats in the red zone. Maintain SA sight on the convoy route.
Even at the end of their service, these aircraft provide critical value. Through careful disassembly, we ensure that serviceable parts.
And this is how the radar system works to detect other aircraft.
I flew the Typhoon back in the 90s. It was a magnificent machine.
The operational statistics highlight the need for enhanced stealth in the next generation.
Agreed. Balancing national defense with environmental stewardship, the aerospace industry is committed to a sustainable future.